Imagine turning the chaos of your business operations into clear, predictable profit. Sounds impossible? It's exactly how the world's top brands dominate their markets every single day by leveraging powerful AI-driven back-office automation.
Well, that's absolutely correct.
Why, he's almost human.
Hey everyone, it's Domi from Automi. Today I'm sharing insider secrets about how automation and artificial intelligence are reshaping the future of business efficiency, profitability and competitive advantage. Whether you're running a startup or managing a multinational corporation, optimizing your back office operations can transform your entire business model. Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered how companies like Amazon consistently delivers orders with incredible speed and precision? It all comes down to intelligent automation in order processing. Traditionally, managing orders involved tedious manual data entry, repetitive tasks, checks, extensive internal department coordination. Today, AI takes over this complex, dense, seamlessly proceeding orders, automatically routing them to optimal warehouses and dynamically choosing shipping strategies to drastically reduce delivery times and cut costs. Amazon harnessed these technologies to reduce their order processing times by over 30%, directly boosting customer satisfaction and generating significant operational savings. Now, let's talk finances. Remember when accounting meant endless manual bookkeeping, costly errors and late-night audits? Thanks to AI-powered accounting systems, companies like Walmart effortlessly manage millions of transactions monthly. These smart systems categorize expenses automatically, instantly flag anomalies, and provide accurate financial reports at unprecedented speed. The result? Error-free accounting, quicker month-end closing, and critical business insights at your fingertips. And what about product management, especially in the massive e-commerce space? Take Alibaba, managing millions of SKUs effortlessly. Traditionally, inventory management in this case was unthinkable without automation. Now AI systems analyze consumer data in real time, forecast demand trends, automatically update product description, and dynamically optimize inventory levels. This means Alibaba keeps its current offering attractive and perfectly matched to customer demand, significantly reducing unsold stock and maximizing profitability. Crucially, these automated systems not only streamline day-to-day operations but continuously learn from data and interactions. Each day they become smarter, more precise, and more effective, setting your business up for future success. What's exciting is that these groundbreaking tools aren't just reserved for giants anymore. Today, even medium-sized and small businesses can tap into the incredible potential of AI-driven automation. All you need is the right technology and trusted partner who can tailor these solutions to your exact business needs. At Automi, we are dedicated to helping companies unlock their transformation. Whether it's automating your order processing, revolutionizing your financial workflows, or supercharging your inventory management, we've got customized solutions ready to turn operation complexity into straightforward profit. So are you ready to convert your operational headaches into smooth-running profit machines? Reach out and let's explore exactly how Automi can elevate your business. Remember, the business world waits for no one. The sooner you embrace AI-powered automation, the faster you'll experience tangible results. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to join me in the next episode where we will explore even more groundbreaking ways of AI in reshaping the business landscape. Until then, stay initiative and keep automating. See you in the next episode.